Seagrasses are critical to the health of the Great Barrier Reef. They play an important role filtering water quality, providing food for iconic species like turtles and dugongs, and they store carbon for long periods of time. With this project, we're proving that large-scale restoration is not only possible, but it's happening.
Our essential robotic platform is called the Mako. It's a fully modular, low-cost, unmanned underwater vehicle, or UUV.
This is robotics for restoration.
Hello, my name is Colin O'Brien. I'm a co-founder at Ulysses Ecosystem Engineering. The robotic platform that we're building at Ulysses is called the Mako. It's the large black tube that you see at the center of our rig. That houses the electronics, the brain, and all of the controlling hardware which go to make our robot run.
My name's Emma Jackson and I'm the director of the Coastal Marine Ecosystems Research Centre. So some of the logistical issues and challenges that we have with getting seeds out onto some of the large intertidal meadows and making use of little seed balls that we actually place out individually with people. To scale that up means that we've got to make a lot of seed balls, we've got to go out there with lots of people, and it takes a really long time, so that really increases the cost.
The robots we're building at Ulysses Ecosystem Engineering are different from any other marine technologies because they're designed to specifically target seagrass. By targeting seagrass, we can build a modular system which can have any sort of attachment you want on it that enables seagrass restoration at scale. You can attach harvesting payloads, planting payloads, monitoring payloads, or anything else that helps you in your restoration effort. All of this can be done low cost and enables scalability of seagrass restoration.
So Will Hamill, Director at the Great Barrier Reef Foundation. I look after our islands and coasts programs. If we're to scale up seagrass restoration using seed-based techniques, you either need to produce a lot of seagrass seeds or place them really strategically. So trialling new techniques like this underwater robot is about placing seeds in the places that they're needed the most.
My name's Calvin Rowe. I work for Gidarjil as a land and sea manager, and most of my work is with the sea country, and I'm also the traditional owner of the CQUniversity.
My name's Marquita Sullivan. I am a land and sea ranger, also a research worker with CMET and with Gidarjil Development Corporation. Because there's a lot of meadows out there that we can't access due to crocodiles or, the sediment's too soft for us to walk on. So with robotics, planting seeds, it makes it a lot easier.
Hopes in the future, while we would like more of our younger Indigenous people to come up, like in schooling, to get trained up in robotics and even expand in more ranger jobs.
Do this, automate this and use robots to go out at high tide and be able to plant the seeds with precision in terms of where they are in the depth of the sediments, but also where they are within the seagrass landscape to actually help the seagrass to recover. Then it means that we don't have to have as many people out there, we don't have to rely on divers.
With the Mako and the seagrass planting attachments, we're looking to build robots that can do 5 hectares of restoration per day per robot. Current restoration efforts, if they go well, restore 5 hectares of seagrass per year. We want to bring that down to 5 hectares per day per robot. This seed planting trial in Gladstone Harbour wouldn't have been possible without the great help of GBRF, CQU and Gidarjil, all 3 of which have been incredibly supportive in the efforts of scaling seagrass restoration around the Great Barrier Reef. After the success of this trial, we're keen to work with all 3 stakeholders again to enable the scaling of seagrass restoration in Gladstone and the Great Barrier Reef. We want to keep taking steps forward to plant larger and larger sites and restore more and more seagrass and bring life back to this ecosystem.
This project is about bringing traditional owners and engineers together. This trial marks a turning point for seagrass restoration, and your support has helped us reach it.